how to remove motion blur in photos using Remini. If you want to remove motion blur in photos using Remini, it is quite simple for us to do so. What we do is first we launch the Remini app and make sure that we have logged into our account right here. Now Remini has a pro version as well, so if your account is like to that, then you can go ahead and then select your pro version. Now select a photo that has some kind of blur. It will upload that image onto Remini, and after that you'll have different suggestions to choose from. So you can choose to remove the blur, so you can see before and you can see after photo. You can choose background enhancer if that's what you want, right? You can also choose other options. So if you go to this AI filters tab, you'll have more AI options and more options to restore your photo. If you just come to this another option right here that says AI photos, also there also you can set different photos that you can choose to create. But normally if you go over here, you'll be able to use a feature to remove the motion blur, but you will likely need a premium for that. I hope the video helped you, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.